Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking immediate action. Back up everything on the disk now, because conversion removes partitions. Once done, open Disk Management or run diskpart to identify the target disk number. Make sure the system you plan to boot from this disk supports UEFI. That matters because GPT is paired with UEFI for boot disks. If you're converting a non-system data drive, the process is simpler. For system disks, prepare Windows installation media or a recovery drive in case a reconfiguration. Next, perform the conversion with diskpart while explaining why each step matters. Boot into Windows or WinPE and open an elevated command prompt. Diskpart needs admin rights. Run list disk to confirm the disk number, then select disk X so you target the correct device. Use the clean command to remove existing partitioning. This is why the backup was required. After cleaning, run convert GPT to change the partition table. Once converted, you'll recreate partitions or restore your image to preserve data and structure. Finally, complete the setup and confirm everything works while noting common fixes. For system disks, create an EFI system partition and an MSR partition, then restore the OS image or reinstall Windows if needed. This ensures proper UEFI boot. Verify conversion with diskpart. List disk shows a star under the GPT column, and check partitions in disk management. If the system refuses to boot, make sure UEFI mode is enabled in firmware. Check boot order for the EFI entry, and use repair tools from installation media to rebuild the boot configuration if required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.